Is that thing actually full?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Mowgli, no.
All right, guys, we're super excited to be here at the Braille House today at night, and we're going outside because we got Happy Medium and a Ring of Fire. If you don't know who Happy Medium is, they're a skate crew from Arizona, and they make the world's best independent skate films. I'm just throwing that out there because it's true. So let's see. They came here and they were like, can we do the Ring of Fire? We're like, sure, why not? So here we are. Here we are. Here we are.
Here we are. Oh my god.
We're here. You did? You ready?
Yeah, I think we're pretty ready.
Did you impossible it?
Not yet.
Whoa, watch out! You almost lit it. Are you sure it's not too close?
Jason wanted it close so he could get here.
Blame Jason. Okay guys, first things first. Never, 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 never do this at home. Don't play with fire. Fire is not a toy. Check this out.
That's weird, fakey, man. I don't know, it's weird. It's going.
Yeah, boy.
How does that look, Troy?
Yeah, boy.
He's in the ring.
So we are professionals at fire. We're actually a trained fire marshal. So we got this under control.
Do we have a fire extinguisher?
Gabe, I said we're a fire marshal. It's beyond a fire extinguisher.
Do we have a hose?
Yeah, we do.
Hello, Dan.
Hello, Gabe.
Never seen you in such a dark environment.
I live in the dark. I live in a bat cave.
Yeah.
Get the body a little warm. I'll be happy with just ollie. I don't foresee myself doing too much more craziness.
Is that thing actually full?
I don't know, but
Wait,
I don't know how to use it.
Hey, wait, there was one that was like half filled.
Yeah.
Wait!
Nice.
Duck your head, dude! You almost got clipped. Alright, where's the... Hey, Uzi, can you help me tip it? Uzi and, Mowgli? We're going down, down, down in a burning ring of fire.
Is this gonna get on the ground and create a fire landing when we're gonna land?
Maybe, yeah.
I was just thinking about that, because that's right we're gonna land.
Should we move it?
It's safe.
Okay.
I mean, fire landing adds some spice to it.
Is this your first ring of fire?
It is. It is. Hopefully not my last. We'll see how it goes.
Maybe just light the lighter fluid on the ground first.
Oh, Aaron Pyro.
Aaron Pyro.
Aaron Pyro
right now, boy.
Dude, you're pointing on
Chiropractor.
Yeah.
You only need a little bit, man.
I mean, a little bit?
I mean, you're dousing.
No, you know what you're doing.
Trust me, this is not my first time.
Yeah, I trust you.
Where were we landing? Right here, huh?
Yeah,
A little spice.
like that.
A little sprinkle.
Rob, make sure you
All right, no, you stand it up first.
Yeah, stand it up.
Well, someone's got to touch it.
God.
That's so
He's jumping the gun a little bit.
Go ahead and stand it up.
Yeah, Aaron.
You're really touching all that stuff.
Hey, let's get all the lighter fluid away.
Oh my god. Okay, you ready?
Who's got nose manual?
Dude, that is...
Pretty buck right there.
Yeah.
I don't think we should land on that.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Aaron Pyro.
Hold it down.
It's not gonna be like that. Okay, go ahead.
No, as Aaron, like when
Somebody
he
play
gets...
some Limp Bizkit, please. That's fully good. Okay, guys, that's a lot.
Dan, we're going to jail. Aaron, move. Move on that side. That is a ring of fire right there. Woo. That is a ring of fire. Troy, all the thumbnails.
Yeah, I know.
You got it, Jason.
Oh, the easiest trick, yeah.
You got a few tries left. Oh!
Dude, look how weird the fabric looks on this.
That fire is done.
That is a torch.
It had a lot more.
Just do it while holding the bat, Rob.
You have a full torch.
Glad I just did impossible, or kickflip instead of just going straight to impossible, because I wouldn't have landed it.
Sick. You did it with
They're gonna work for Indian. Still burning.
Looks like a portal. Aaron, you look like you are in a horror movie. You didn't let me down.
I got you, Gabe.
It's gone. He's gone.
Use my board.
Let it go.
Dang, those trucks are good. Oh my god.
Ow. Woo. Wow.
Kick it?
No.
Oh no.
You guys?
That looks awesome.
Are you ready for some football?
Oh wait, what if the sparks still explode?
Then he'll just go boom and he'll be in a ring.
Or something like that.
Okay, now we gotta lift it up.
Well, it's gonna be hot now.
Over here. You need your fingers. Aaron! We want you to touch this thing. Oh, there it goes.
Mowgli, no. Oh my gosh.
You ready?
I waited too long. There we go.
I got it out.
Oh my god.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Woo. It's a death trap, dude.
What the heck?
Switch the breeze.
Wow.
It's hard for me to leave when there's groups because I'm bad at saying bye to a lot of people at once.
They're just screaming at everyone.
That's why I started doing that. See you later.
I'm trying to turn. This thing is so sketch.
It is, right?
You can't like.
Oh. skateboard drift track. Oh my god!
Should we put it on the ground? We could just kick it over again.
Yeah, it looked cool when they kicked it over.
Wait.
Go ahead.
Wait.
Troy!
Oh, jeez. Wait.
Wow, that was cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this. You guys can check out all the Happy Medium guys. Link will be in the description below. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Full send! Go from there, from the flat.
I got it.
Oh my god, oh my god. You just really gotta send it.
You really gotta send it for this thing. Yeah, this is hard. I think
Lean forward. No, no. I was talking to Jason. I was talking to him. You did it. I was talking to Jason.
let's go home.
Damn, dude.
Aaron, the stupid thing got me.
No.
Shitting me, bro.
No. What the heck? How?
I was trying to ride up this thing thinking I was badass and I was not.
But what did you hit on there?
I don't know, I think there's a pedal. I got it. Do you guys have scissors? I was gonna say you should cut that because that's just hair. That's crazy. I know, I'm trying to get the hair out of there, man. Sorry.
Want to end this video?
I blame you, Gabe Cruz.
Why me? Why is this my fault?
Check out the amazing, awesome Happy Medium guys. Link in the description below. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's time, it's fun, you got it, let's go. BrailleSkateboarding.com.